is born with a midline mass at the back in the lower lumbar region. It is covered completely with skin. The most likely diagnosis is, the options are meningocele, teratoma, lipoma. The answer is meningocele. Which cranial nerve is not affected in Wading-Hoffmann disease? The options are third cranial nerve, fifth cranial nerve, seventh cranial nerve. The answer is third cranial nerve. In which disease condition damage of seventh or eighth cervical nerve occurs? The options are Bell's palsy, Erb's palsy, Klumpke's palsy. The answer is Klumpke's palsy. Encephalitis is a complication of, the options are pertussis, varicella, scarlet fever, poliomyelitis. The option is varicella. Destruction of nerve cell is seen in poliomyelitis, polioencephalitis, paralytic polio. The option is poliomyelitis. The nurse is caring for a child with the diagnosis of meningitis. What sign or symptom indicate an increase in ICP? The options are bradycardia, hyperalertness, decreased pulse pressure, decreased systolic BP. The answer is bradycardia. What is the most serious complication of meningitis in young children? Options are epilepsy, blindness, peripheral circulatory collapse, community hydrocephalus. The answer is peripheral circulatory collapse. The virus does not cause bronchiolitis is Coxsackie virus, Mycoplasma, influenza virus. The answer is Coxsackie virus. Retention of carbon dioxide in pulmonary insufficiency is called, the options are respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, asphyxia. The answer is respiratory acidosis. A 6-year-old child is admitted to a hospital with pneumonia. What is the priority need that must be included in the nursing care plan for this child? The options are rest, exercise, nutrition, elimination. The answer is rest. After a tonsillectomy, which assessment should cause the nurse to suspect hemorrhage? Options are noisy snoring, frequent swallowing, complaints of thirst. The answer is frequent swallowing. Normal range of Apgar score is, options are 7 to 10, 4 to 5, 6 to 7. The answer is 7 to 10. The most common features in tracheoesophageal fistula without atresia is, options are abdominal distension, recurrent aspiration pneumonia, diarrhea. The answer is recurrent aspiration pneumonia. Name the most effective factor lead to absorption of the lung fluid at birth. Options are positive pressure at first breath, optimum lung maturity, negative pressure of first breath. The answer is negative pressure of first breath. The first phase of kernicterus is characterized by, options shrill cry and oculogeric crisis, seizure and lethargy. The answer is shrill cry and oculogeric crisis. collection of blood in between the periosteum and the flat bone is called? Options: cephalohematoma, Cat-Pitt succedaneum, Mylocele. The answer is cephalohematoma. Non-establishment of satisfactory pulmonary respiration at birth of newborn is: options: birth asphyxia, hypoxia, postnatal asphyxia. The answer is birth asphyxia. Fetal birth weight more than 4.5 kg is called: options: polycythemia, macrosemia, polyarthria. The answer is macrosomia. Herniation of intestine in the umbilical cord is called: options: hiatus hernia, induced susception, omphalocele. The answer is omphalocele. The highly malignant renal tumor. Options: Wilms tumor, nephrocytoma, nephrotoxicosis. The answer is Wilms tumor. The nurse explains to a parent group that immunization is important because a complication of mumps in postpubertal male is: options: sterility, hypopituitarism, decreased libido, decreased androgen. The answer is sterility. Common nutritional problem of Down syndrome is: obesity, rickets, anemia, anorexia. Answer is obesity. The nurse is aware that an additional defect associated with the extrophy of bladder is: options: absence of kidney, CHD, imperforate anus, pubic bone malformation. The answer is pubic bone malformation. When caring for an infant born with extrophy of the bladder, the nurse understands that the infant is at risk for: options: infection, dehydration, urinary retention, intestinal obstruction. Answer is infection. What is the main complication of oxygen therapy? The options: rectolental fibroplasia, hypothermia, hypoventilation. The answer is rectolental fibroplasia.